front of me is Xiaomi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this device. Start by opening settings and choosing sound and vibration over here. Now scroll down and click on the switcher next to vibrate full calls. This way you can enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. Now tap on the switcher next to vibrate in silent mode and enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. After that, you can switch on or off haptic feedback by tapping on the switcher over here. If you wish to enable it, click on the switcher and adjust intensity of haptic feedback by swiping left or right on the slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!